Here comes the judge in her big red hat. She has come to see the train show. Who will take the judge to the train show? Thomas will. Thomas will go. Thomas will take the judge to the show. Hurry, Thomas! Take me to the show. Take me there fast. Go, train, go! Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, up the hill. Thomas the tank engine goes faster than fast. Screech! Go the brakes. Thomas goes so slow. Slow, slow, slower than slow he goes. Hurry, Thomas! Why do you go so slow? Take me to the train show. Go, train, go! But Thomas cannot go. Thomas sees a goat. The goat is on the tracks. Peep, peep, goes Thomas. Bah! The goat jumps back. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Down, down the hill. Thomas the tank engine goes faster than fast. Screech! Go the brakes. Thomas goes so slow. Slow, slow, slower than slow he goes. Hurry, Thomas! Why do you go so slow? Take me to the train show. Go, train, go! The tunnel is so dark. Slow, slow, slow he goes into the dark, dark, dark tunnel. And out the other side. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, over a bridge. He was going so fast. He was going so fast, the judge lost her hat. Screech! Go the brakes. Thomas goes slow. Slow, slow, slow he goes. Hurry, Thomas! We're running late, you know. Take me to the train show. Go, train, go! But Thomas must go slow. There's a cow on the track. Moo, moo, goes the cow. Peep, peep, goes Thomas. The cow moves back. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Thomas the tank engine moves faster than fast. Screech! Go the brakes. Thomas goes slow. Slow, slow, slow he goes. Don't stop, Thomas! Go, train, go! Don't stop now, I'm late for the show! But Thomas must go slow. There are logs on the track. The crane engine clears the logs. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Around the logs goes Thomas faster than fast. There is mud up ahead. The judge wants to go slow. Slow, little engine. Slow, slow, slow. Watch out for the mud. Whoa, train, whoa! But Thomas cannot go slow. Thomas goes faster than fast, into the mud, splish, splash! Thomas goes fast, past a town, fast, fast, past a dog, faster still, fast at last! Nothing can stop him, nothing at all. No goat, no dark, no cow, no log. No crane, no mud. No town, no dog. This is the fastest that Thomas can go. Screech! Go the brakes. Good job, Thomas. We made it here at last. You're a little engine, but you go so fast. Here comes the judge. The train show begins. There are red trains and blue trains, and old trains and new trains, and a little blue engine covered in mud. What will the judge say? I like all the trains. You are all such fun. But the muddy blue train is my favorite one.